What are the differences between the line and the polyline? Welcome back to Sonic Tech. This video will teach you what are the differences between the line and the polyline in AutoCAD. The line object is the most basic and common object in AutoCAD drawings of any discipline. Each segment is a line object that can be edited separately, assigning properties such as a layer, line type, and line weight. A polyline is a connected sequence of line segments created as a single object. You can create straight line segments, arc segments, or a combination of the two. Some reasons you may choose to use polylines include the following. 1. Vertices remain joined even after grip editing. 2. Absolute line width, as an alternative to relative line weight, that can be constant or tapered across a segment. 3. Move and copy a polyline as a unit. 4. Easily create rectangles and polygons as single objects. 5. Smart application of non-continuous line types across vertices. Finally, easy extrusion for 3D solids in AutoCAD.